Learn Canva, one design at a time. Learn. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to update Canva Sheets for social media content planning. Here I've already opened a previously created and updated Canva Sheet. Canva Sheets make it easy to gather images, write captions, and plan your posts. It's perfect for visual thinkers and teams building social media content together. Canva Sheets make it easy to collect images, write posts, and plan your content, all visually and efficiently. I these data for Facebook posts. Now I want to use same images for Pinterest. So let's add a new column right where you need it. Hover over a column. Click the drop-down arrow at the top of a column with data. Just click the drop-down, then insert column left. Enter a new heading to stay organized, like pin title or anything you need. Using clear column titles like post date, image link, or social media channel name makes it easy to scan and update your sheet without second-guessing what goes where. Add new column again. Click Add Column left from the drop-down. Select the column. Right-click. Since we need a column to the left of selected column, we are clicking Add Column left. Likewise, we can select Add Column right to add column to the right side. Adding one more column to the left. Type column headings in the heading row of this Canva sheet. Updating or adding data in a Canva sheet is as simple as clicking a cell and typing, just like you would in Excel or Google Sheets. Whether you're pasting in content, dragging images, or creating new columns, it feels instantly familiar and intuitive. You can see I have added 4 columns in this datasheet with my product images. 3 columns will contain Pinterest pin titles, tags, and description. But what is this 4th column for? That's the magic of Canva Sheet. When we use bulk create feature of Canva, it will automatically insert the design link in this column. Do you want to know how to create 100s on Pinterest pins in minutes using Canva Sheet and bulk create features? Check out this video. Subscribe for daily Canva wins.